welcome again. My name is Khalid. Here in this lab, we'll go with the array exercises. We have some exercise I will focus on. First, here we have, for example, write a C program to display elements of the array integer. We have some 5 elements, and we want to show them in this way. For example, this is one example we'll focus on. Another example, how to add symbols with numbers, for example, in this way, again using array. And here, how to find if we have a set of numbers of array, and we want to show or to find odd and even numbers. Okay, so this is what we'll focus on. Let's start with the first question here. Write a C program to display elements of the array integer. The name of array is AR, and here we put the number of elements. We have 5 elements. What are the elements? Here we have the elements. We want to declare, we want to assign those numbers to this array and then display in this way. So here I will go to the to the code room. Okay, so we have here array 5 elements equal, what are the elements? Let's take here another elements 3, 5, 9, 10 and 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, and now we just want to print here each one in a different line. Okay, so we have 5 elements. We can use for loop to print first one, then second one, third one, and so on. So I will use here in this way for integer I have variable which is equal. Here let's say 0, I less than 5. We have 5 elements, and I plus. So print if, and then what you want to print here, you want to print the elements one by one. So just add here, we have integers, so put it in this way, using double quotation. Array, so I will increase, so we'll take here, we have to put it in this way. So first we'll take array 0, which is 3, then array 1, which is 5, and so on. So just don't forget to put here a new line. Okay, now we print all in this way as mentioned in the question. Let's go to the next direct here. Here we have some repeating question. We will go to this one. Write a C program to display elements of the array integer array 3. We have only 3 elements in this array, but we want this time to show in this way. So I will go back and let's make some changes on this one. And for example, here we have, instead of 5, we have 3. So let's keep here 3 integers. Now, before the number, I want to show this sign 3 times, and after just show it in this time. Take the same way here, but this time, don't forget to put here 3. So take a look in the example, let's see how we make the change very easy. Let's make sure if we didn't forget anything. Yeah, we didn't forget anything, you see. So like this we print out, or this is our output. Okay, let's go to the next. Now this time write a C program to find the odd and even numbers in the following array. So I have this array and I want to start read or check one by one. If I have even numbers, I want to print that this number is even, otherwise here this number is odd. So let's check here, go back. I will again, here we have an array. How many elements? Let's take here 5. So let's take 5. We have here, let's put some others, this time even numbers. So we have like 4, 6. Okay, like this. Now for integer I what equal 0, and then I less than 5, then I plus. Now beside it we'll go with the if statement. So if I the remainder of dividing I to 2 equal 0, so that means this is an even number. So what we want to print if okay, so here let's take it in this way. So then in here number is even number. Array I. So if it's even, we'll print it in this way. Type else, just put here else, and again print here. This time print all. That's it. Let's check. Wait, we have something. Let's find it quickly. I have more here. Let's here we close. Yeah. Okay. Let's put some lines. Put here a new line and go ahead. So 3 is even, 5 is odd, 5 is odd. Okay. Okay, here 3 is even number, 5 is odd. Okay, first put this here, I think, to be more clear. Yeah, 5 is odd. Yeah, it's not. There's something here. Okay, this is rather a problem. We are checking the array. Okay. So here, yeah, the first number, second, okay. So yes, now it's correct. Good. So 3 is odd, 5, 9 odd, 4 and 6 are even. Okay, so this is the point. Thank you for watching this video.